first day here in Tokyo. Yesterday, I was in Sapporo with my office mates. But this is the start of my personal trip, so I'll be staying in Tokyo for 4 nights. And we'll also go on some day trips in Mount Fuji or Hakone and then Kawagoe. So today, I started the day late. I'm going to Asakusa, probably also go to Shibuya or Odaiba. So I don't have specific plans, but definitely will go to Asakusa today. Let's go. Hi, so I'm now in Asakusa. I walked for a bit and now I can see the Senso-ji temple.
Unfortunately, it was rainy during my visit in Asakusa.
So I'm now at the Senso-ji temple. So the street to the temple is lined with different souvenir shops. So it's nice to go here.
On the way to the temple, you will pass by a shopping street called Nakamise, where you can buy different souvenirs and food.
It's raining, so I can't enjoy the temple. So I decided to just go to Odaiba and then I'll come back later on for this.
Because of the rain, I decided to go to Odaiba, a popular shopping and entertainment district on a man-made island in Tokyo Bay.
We're almost at Diver City where the big Gundam statue is. I'm at the park now in front of Diver City.
Diver City is one of the attractions in Odaiba. It is a shopping, dining, and entertainment complex opened in 2012 and features attractions related to the Gundam anime series, including a large Gundam statue in front of the building. Inside the mall, you will find different shops and restaurants with local and foreign brands.
Okay, so this is Diver City. It's a big mall full of young people because there's a big arcade here.
Diver City is also popular among children and young adults because it features a large arcade. Here, you will find different types of claw machines, arcade games, and even karaoke.
I'm back outside. I'm still at Diver City, but it's completely transformed. Just look at the lights.
At night, the building is illuminated, including the Gundam statue. It is therefore highly recommended to visit in the afternoon so you can have both views.
Okay, so this is the Gundam statue at night. So it would be best if you come here in the afternoon so that you would be able to see both the day and night view.
It started to rain heavily, so I decided to go back to Higashi-Shinjuku. I was staying in Higashi-Shinjuku, so for dinner, I decided to just walk around to find a place to eat and reached Shin-Okubo. Shin-Okubo is Tokyo's Koreatown.
Okay, so I'm looking for a place to have dinner, and while walking, I reached Shin-Okubo, which is the Korean town. Hi, so I'm back at the hotel. I didn't go to Shibuya anymore, which was part of my original plan because it's raining hard. So I hope that it would be better tomorrow, especially because I have a tour to Hakone. I booked the tour through Get Your Guide since the tour in Klook is already fully booked. Anyway, the itinerary is still the same. So I'll be leaving the hotel around 7:30 a.m. because our meetup time is at 8 a.m. So I'm going to have an early night today and see you tomorrow.
Thank you very much for watching my vlog. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Tune in as in the next episode, I'll be traveling to Hakone, Japan.